Hi everybody, this is Dr. T. Anthony Santosh, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, St.Joseph College of Arts and Science. I am handling physical chemistry. Now I would like to explain a topic in physical chemistry. This topic is present in the third year, sixth semester. The topic name is colligative properties. The colligative properties is the property of which depends upon the number of particles present in a solution. There are several properties which are related to different types of chemicals. These colligative properties are related to solutions, especially liquid solutions. A solution is comprising of two chemicals. One will be of solute and another one will be of solvent. And there are number of solute particles which is making up the solution also. And in this there will be different number of solute particles present in different types of solutions. According to the number, the property may vary. Some properties vary according to the number of particles present in the system. Some did not vary as per the number of particles. And in this case, the colligative properties are those properties of solutions that depend on the ratio of the number of solute particles to the number of solvent particles in a solution, and not on the nature of the chemical species present in it. This is one of the definitions of colligative properties. The colligative properties are properties that depend on the concentration of molecules or ions of the solute, but not on the identity of the solute. And the colligative properties comprising of four different properties usually, and the first two properties are of pressure oriented properties. One is lowering of vapor pressure and another one is osmotic pressure. And we have two more colligative properties. One is boiling point elevation and freezing point depression. These two properties are temperature oriented properties. So, colligative properties are totally of four properties. Two are of properties of pressure and two are of properties of temperature. Let us discuss what is osmosis. Osmosis is a phenomenon if we separate pure solvent of a solution and solution by a semi-permeable membrane, a thing will happen. The pure solvent particle will be on one side as shown and the solution will be on the other side. Both these things are separated by a semi-permeable membrane. What will happen? The solvent will be on one side and solute will be of other side. Which will be allowed by the semi-permeable membrane? The pure solvent is the only thing which is allowed by the semi-permeable membrane. So, here what will happen? The pure solvent particle will pass through from its area through semi-permeable membrane to the solution area. Why the pure solvent moves? Because of the greater value of chemical potential and vapor pressure. Because of the higher value of chemical potential and vapor pressure, the pure solvent particle will pass from this solvent area to the solution area. This phenomenon of movement of pure solvent particle from the solvent area to solution area is called osmosis. And because of the movement, the solution will be in more amount and solvent will be area will be in less amount. Because of this movement, because of the phenomenon of osmosis, an extra pressure will be created. That pressure is called osmotic pressure. That is usually represented by a symbol capital pi. Okay, so the movement will happen from pure solvent area to solution area through semi-permeable membrane. So what is a reverse osmosis? Here in this picture we have the salt like solution, salt in molecule involving solution, and in other area there is pure water, that is pure solvent, and these two things are separated by a semi-permeable membrane. And as we know, only pure solvent will pass through the semi-permeable membrane to solution area, or the chemicals what is present with more number of solute particles. But if we apply pressure, as it is mentioned in this diagram, if we apply pressure on the solution area, there will be movement of pure solvent particle from solution area to pure solvent, that is here water. If we apply pressure on left hand side, pure water will be collected on the right hand side as in the picture. So this is how we can reverse the phenomenon of osmosis. So we have an application and we have a different RO system even in our home to separate pure water from salty water, which consists of more number of TDS value. TDS is total dissolved solution. And at this end of the lecture now, we can understand what is colligative property and what is osmosis and what is reverse osmosis. Thank you all.